Today's video is sponsored by Wondershare Mobile Trans. Mobile Trans is the one-stop program for backing up your phone, WhatsApp, or even transferring data from one phone to another or to the PC. Let me show you how it works. Simply connect your devices to the PC. Select phone transfer or WhatsApp transfer depending on what you would like to achieve. Select the source and destination and the data you would like to transfer. WhatsApp messages can be backed up to the PC and then restored onto a different phone. Select restore to a device and then select backup and the device you would like the information on. It's that simple. Wondershare Mobile Trans have an awesome deal for Designs by FR viewers. By using the link in the video description, you can save up to 30% off. Now this is their 2020 Christmas sale, so you need to get in quick before the deal ends. So what are you waiting for? Go check it out, link in the description, and a big thank you to Wondershare Mobile Trans once again. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's build video with a full MSI setup inside the MSI RTX 3080 Gaming X Trio graphics card powering this system. Now I want to bring attention back to the case. This is actually one of Razer's first cases out on the market. This is called the Razer Tomahawk ATX. Now the building experience with this case was quite a breeze. We had lots of water cooling potential inside this case. Up the top, we could fit a 240mm radiator. I could probably squeeze a 280mm radiator in there if I really wanted to. On the front, you could fit your 360mm radiator, and you can actually slide the hard drive cages along further so that you can fit thicker radiators in the front as well. Now, in terms of airflow, the whole front section of the case is all blocked off. However, you do have these large gaps either side. So there's enough room for the fans to pull in the air. Perhaps making the front a bit open might have helped it a bit more, but there is enough airflow to keep it nice and cool, and we did see that when we tested the temperatures. I also really liked the front-facing compartment, which was part of the PSU shroud. So you can open that up, easy access to hard drives and into the inside of the compartment. So super easy for, changing those hard drives without actually having to mess with the cables at the back. Anyway, guys, that does it for me. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let us know if you want to see benchmarks in our future builds. And if you would like to support us, our Patreon and YouTube channel membership links are in the video description. Become a part of our Discord. We are wanting some more members over there to chat with, especially after PC build videos. If you have any questions, it's also a good place to catch us over there. Also, if you do have any further questions for me, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to get to those. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all in the next one.